Hey there, friend. We've changed venues. We're all acoustic today, working on brushes. This is my left hand, by the way, right hand over here. So if you can tell, here, let's do this so I can cut some of that glare. I think this will be good. Okay, let's first talk about sounds. Staccato. Depending on what kind of texture you want, notice how that sound is a lot different than this sound. You'll get more resonance from the drum if you rebound quicker and you use less of the brush. Okay. Here's the full brush. So that's not staccato anymore. It's a single stroke, but it's really like the fly swatter. That sound versus that nice resonant tone. If you play closer to the edge, you'll get more overtones. If you play closer to the middle of the drum, you'll get more of a staccato, more of a dead sound. Okay, so those are all of our single stroke options. Something to use as an exercise to start playing more staccato and more of an attention to how much of the brush is on the head. Start low, play a nice full rebound stroke with good speed. You're trying to end with a raised wrist or a bent wrist, and the stroke on the drum is like incidental. Okay, so that way when you play a pattern like this, it doesn't sound like this. Unless you wanted that sound. Tones, so that's all on the drum, all resonance, and my snares are off. If you wanted to play a shot, that's the brush hitting the rim or the hoop of the drum and the head at the same time. A little bit more of a meteor attack. That's the handle plus the handle plus the end of the brush. That's the biggest sound we got. So just getting used to playing what sound you want. Just get used to the flex of the brushes. Okay, laterals. We spent a lot of time on this. Okay, right hand only. Actually, we started like this. So 9 o'clock, 3 o'clock. This is 9 actually. 3 o'clock over here with your left hand. You want to wait a little bit before you speed up. So it's not like rushing there quickly unless you're playing that fast. But our tempo is right around here. I speed up into the release point. I also press in a little bit to get more of a meaty sound. We talked about the running start. This is just to get us started. Plop. But now that we've advanced past that, you want a nice sound as soon as you hit instead of ta-ram. So you want to think about your stopping points, okay? So it's not arbitrary. Okay, when we're sweeping. This is right over left, by the way. The left hand will stay underneath the whole time. Okay? Right around that 9 o'clock and 3 o'clock point, that's going to be my launching into the fast sweep. Yum, yum. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now those numbers, this is the point. This is where I'm actually at on the quarter notes. So, and 1, and 2, and 3,
and 4. So I'm moving on the ands. Okay, that's all right hand lead. Here's all left hand over top. I don't know if you probably can't see that. Left hand's crossing over top and staying on top of the bottom. Okay, again, digging in when you want to hear that sound. If you want to play a real, I want to say like a ballsless feel, where you're kind of just staying on top of the head. You're still providing time, but it's not as commanding as that dig in sweep. Okay, be able to cross right over left whenever you want to, depending on the feel you want to play, and then depending on eventually just playing sounds that you want.